Hi, how are you all doing? Welcome. Today we're going to look at our smart lighting range, specifically our door sensors for turning our lights on and off. What components could we use for installation? We would choose a 12-volt or 24-volt converter, a light fixture that matches that voltage, and we would pick a sensor, either a simple or double one, surface-mounted or recessed. Control. We would simply take the little cable and plug it into its control port, one click. We'd take the female and male connectors and just click them together. Then, we'd take the other part and do the same, click. And now it would be connected, and we would connect the light fixture to any of its 6 control ports. And now it would be turned on. The advantage of the control port is that we can manage different lights with a single sensor. Right now, we have 2 lights, 2 different cabinets that we could control with a single sensor by using its control port. We'll connect it directly here, without using the control port. We'll connect this piece directly to the light fixture, and then, when the door is closed, it will turn off. When the door is opened, it will turn on. And we could repeat this operation 6 times with different doors using the same converter. When the door is closed, it turns off. When it is opened, it turns on. When both swing doors are closed, the light will turn off. When one of the swing doors is opened, the light will turn on. The light will not turn off until both swing doors are closed. When the door is closed, it turns off. When it is opened, it turns on. This one has a peculiarity. If we pass our hand in front of it, it turns off. If we pass our hand in front of it again, it turns on. And also, remember that even though they are surface mounted, if we disassemble them, this part could also be made recessed. Here we have, in the control port, the double surface sensor with 2 lines. When the swing doors are closed, it will turn off. When one of the swing doors is opened, all the lines connected to the converter will turn on. See you in upcoming videos with more news from the smart range.